Hi everyone, welcome to youbethejudge.com.au YouTube channel. For those of you that watched episode 1, liked episode 1 and subscribed, thank you. I'm eternally grateful for your support. As outlined in episode 1, I refuse to be a victim anymore. I've been fighting for 11 years against defendants with lots of money, lots of power, teams of lawyers, teams of barristers, as a self-represented party before the Supreme Court of New South Wales. Over those 11 years, I've had countless challenges coming at me, left, right and centre. At one stage, I was in 3 courts at the same time as a self-represented person: the Supreme Court of New South Wales, the Local Court of New South Wales, and bankruptcy proceedings in the Federal Court of Australia, New South Wales. I incurred over $1 million in legal fees that I say could have been, should have been avoided but for the alleged negligence of the defendant. On 17 March 2022, while driving, I suffered a suspected heart attack. The Supreme Court of New South Wales had the evidence. However, proceedings continued. In June 2022, under the case management of Justice Beach Jones, who was then the Chief Judge at Common Law in the Supreme Court of New South Wales, I incurred and suffered an active suicidal event. Over that period, Justice Beach Jones had 2 medical reports before him. One dated 9 May 2022, the second dated 5 July 2022. Extremely serious medical evidence that was completely uncontested by the other side. However, Justice Beach Jones decides to make his own medical diagnosis. He refuses me a medical adjournment in the serious circumstances that were before him. Over the past decade, I've witnessed ad nauseum in the Supreme Court of New South Wales fully represented parties with lawyers, with barristers, being granted medical adjournments for the common cold. 2 to 3 week adjournments happen every day in the Supreme Court of New South Wales. The obvious question is why? Why is the Supreme Court of New South Wales acting in this manner? Well, I say the corroborating evidence that will be reenacted real court cases on this channel will self-conclude the answer to that question. On 20 April 2023, Registrar K. Jones dismissed my proceedings for want of due dispatch. However, the evidence before Registrar K. Jones was that the defendant was responsible for the ongoing delays, including breaching 18 sets of court orders. In addition, I leave the courtroom and she makes a cost order against me that in all probability will mount to $1 million in legal fees I pay the defendants. During 2024, I'm admitted to a mental health hospital for the first time in my life for full-time management of my mental health. I say, plainly, obviously, in my view, the misconduct of Supreme Court New South Wales judicial officers contributed significantly to that admission. However, as outlined in my previous episodes, I refuse to be a victim anymore. I'm fighting for Australian citizens and true justice. Together, we will find solutions.
Good on you, Skip!
Skippy? Hold on, Skip, I'm on my way back.
What the bloody hell? Skippy the Bush Kangaroo? Could do with your help now, Skip. A gum leaf? That's right. Might as well. Nothing to lose. Oh. You need to name you then. I know. Skippy the legal kangaroo. Now the fight's a little bit fairer. Let's go, Skip.
Ha ha ha!